tempting to change the Koei filter by myself. Flushing each of the filters for 5 minutes. Kepala dia pun tukar. Kalau tidak, you kena ambil air daripada kepala pipe tu kan, which is not convenient. So change at the back, the adapter. Original filters ada 3, but the new ones ada 2 je. And then the draining kita tak pakai lagi. Okay. Yep, I am doing it. Me. Okay, all the filters dah pasang. And the draining pipe memang biar macam ni. Okay, dah pasang. So, cantum to main water pipe. Biar tangki penuh and then boleh on. Okay, the pipe is 1 meter je. And then memang tak cukup panjang lah nak cantum ke situ. So, beli tube 2 meters. And dia akan cukup lah nak cantum to this machine. Nak ganti. Kenapa air keluar? Macam mana saya nak stop air ni daripada keluar? Nak buat ni kena use my brain. Okay, so now nak kena buka ni, so dia boleh cantum direct to this. So pipe ni kita dah tak pakai, draining pipe. So dia biar air terus masuk je. Okay, so when your Koei is already dah habis contract, you can service it yourself. Okay, you beli these filters online. Okay, tapi yang ni dia baru punya jenis. So it's like instead of 3 kat tengah ni, dia 2 je. Lepas tu drainage tak payah guna lagi. Ni tak payah guna. So kita unhook. Lepas tu you kena adjust dekat bahagian tubing ni lah. Okay, ni daripada water supply. Lepas tu dia nak masuk ke sini. Okay, then dia nak filter semua, and then dia akan masuk to the tank. So you'll get filtered water lah. So practically it's not to say it's easy lah, but you kena belajar lah. Okay, by the way, I'm using the Koei ombak, and I am so happy I managed to do it myself.